A few people have asked me to show you more about the bonnet strut that's in there. I'll show you how simple it is. I've already pulled it from in the cab. Straight up, find the hook. And that's it. One finger and it goes up on its own. Defender Mods and Travels was the last chap who asked me to show you some details. So here you go. You can see down here, I'll get the light in there. It comes down to this point here, and I've bolted this bit of angle in, and it goes down. I've bolted it to the wing, and then at the very bottom it bolts into the chassis, so there's plenty of strength there. I bought this ram actually for another project, but it was too heavy duty. It just broke what I was trying to do with it, but that doesn't matter because I kept them and it's going to be used for this. It just goes up to here. I wouldn't recommend doing this with this size ram on a bonnet without a spare wheel because it's so pokey. It's just going to damage something. It's just going to flick up and it's going to be a sod to close because it only just, well, it closes nicely and it lifts up nicely. It's a real happy medium. And these bonnets with the spare wheels, they've got this reinforcement either side, which I don't think normal Defender bonnets have. I always used to just put a gas ram from here up into here on the standard 90s or 110s I've had, and it worked a dream. So yeah, I hope that shows enough detail. It does clear the engine. It sort of sits about here. It's a couple of inches off the top of the engine. If anybody's got any more questions, please ask. I would love to give you some more details on the ram, but I can't quite read what's printed on it. I'm going to try and find the other ram that isn't scratched and try and get the details off it. So if anybody wants to order a same stroke ram with the same pressure for the same idea, then I'll post those bits of information in the video. But what I will say is I feel so much more confident with this. I did have the bog standard strut, that's folded in half and sits there, but if you push that off over centre, the bonnet slams down. And I'll add the video of that happening. The CCTV caught it happening to me. I came to work on it, I knocked the arm out and the bonnet came on my head. Luckily no spare wheel, and luckily that spike just grazed me. It didn't actually hit me properly in the head, because that could have been different. But yeah, I hope that helps. Any more questions, I'll try and answer them.